Today I am reviewing the Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a powerful, versatile, and convenient blender that can handle everything from smoothies to meal prep, the Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender is an excellent choice. This blender is designed to deliver professional-grade performance while remaining easy to use, making it ideal for busy mornings, home chefs, and anyone who wants consistent results in the kitchen. The first feature that stands out is its 1100W motor, which provides exceptional blending power. Ice crushes to snow in seconds, frozen fruits and vegetables blend smoothly, and even tough ingredients like nuts or fibrous greens are no match for this motor. Whether you're making a creamy smoothie, a frozen cocktail, a protein shake, or a rich sauce, this blender handles it effortlessly, giving you smooth, professional results every time. One of the most convenient features of the Ninja BL660 is its versatility. It offers 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and a dedicated single-serve function. This means you can adjust your blending to exactly the texture you want, whether that's a smooth puree or a slightly chunkier mixture for salsas or soups. For single servings, you can blend directly in the 16-ounce to-go cups, attach the spout lids, and take your drink anywhere. This is perfect for busy mornings, workouts, office commutes, or simply grabbing a quick smoothie on the way out the door. For families or meal preppers, the 72-ounce XL pitcher is a major advantage. It allows you to make large batches of smoothies, frozen drinks, or sauces in one go, which is perfect for parties, weekly meal prep, or serving the entire family without needing multiple rounds. The blender also features built-in food processing capabilities, allowing you to chop, mince, grind, or blend ingredients for salsas, dressings, dips, or other recipes. This adds incredible versatility, replacing several kitchen appliances and saving both counter space and money. Another highlight of the Ninja BL660 is its user-friendly design. The blender is compact, yet powerful, and all removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. The stacked blade, assembly, and Pro Extractor Blades are designed to deliver consistent results and efficiently blend every ingredient without leaving chunks behind. Even thick or sticky mixtures are handled with ease, and the wide pitcher and spout design make pouring simple and mess-free. The blender also comes with a 28 recipe guide, which is a great way to get inspired and try new smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and other creative recipes. Whether you're experimenting with healthy green smoothies, dessert shakes, or fresh salsa, this guide gives you plenty of ideas to maximize the blender's potential. Durability is another key feature. The blender base is sturdy, the pitcher is large and robust, and the 24-inch power cord gives you flexibility in kitchen setups. It's a reliable, long-lasting tool that makes everyday blending tasks faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a home chef, or someone who simply loves smoothies and fresh drinks, this blender adapts to your lifestyle and saves time in the kitchen. In summary, the Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender is a versatile, powerful, and convenient kitchen appliance that elevates your blending game. From crushing ice and frozen fruits to preparing sauces, dressings, or large family batches, it handles every task with ease. Its 1100W motor, multiple speeds, pulse function, large 72-ounce pitcher, single-serve cups, and easy cleanup make it an essential tool for anyone who loves smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, or efficient meal prep. This blender doesn't just mix ingredients. It gives you control, power, and convenience, helping you create delicious and healthy results in minutes, every single time.